If you want this image comparison slider effect, watch this video until the end to know how to implement this in your website and in your client's website. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. We are inside the GoHighLevel website builder to show you how to implement this before and after image slider effect. We should add new section, full width, and one column, and you have to add a code, custom HTML JavaScript code, and let's change this background into white. And for this we have to get the code from GoHighLevel code snippets. If you have this, that's great. You can go inside the slider reveal, and if you don't have this, make sure to check the link in the description and get this GoHighLevel code snippets as soon as possible, because at the moment there's a sale going on and the sale ends at the end of the Feb. So get this as soon as possible. You get to see two different before and after effect, one's for PC and one's for mobile. To also make it as a mobile friendly, I'll show this mobile after finishing the PC view. You have to copy this code, go into the GoHighLevel website builder and open the code editor, paste and save. As you can see, that's a before and image placeholder. For that, you have to open the code. When you scroll down, you get to see src, your image link before, your image link after. So you have to change this placeholder to your link, which you have it inside your media storage, which is this. I have already uploaded the images inside, which is this. Get link, go inside the builder, open code, scroll down and change where it says image link after, because the link I copied was the after image. Paste, save, voila, it's there. And we need to get the before link as well. So this is the before image link. Get the link, go back to the code, open the code editor and scroll down, find the link for the before, your image link before, paste the link and save it. As you can see, the image slider is working properly, but you can't slide it inside the website builder. To see if it's actually working, you have to save it. And before showing if it's working, let it save, we have to go to the Canva. For the effect to work properly, the image should be at the same size and same width, which I built in the Canva. As you can see, just to copy the laptop element, put the screenshot inside and do the same on the other image. And you can do whatever you want. You don't have to put a laptop image in it. Just for the sake of my website, I made the laptop. You can make, for example, if you are a barbershop owner or a beauty salon owner, you can show your before image with the before hair or before a skin product or something, and you can show what you can get from your service on after, so that your client can slide before and after to see the results. It's going to be interactive for your clients and they will book an appointment. So let's see if the animation actually worked. So let's go on a preview. As you scroll down, you can see the effect. And if you want this website, the link is inside the description. Voila, there it is. And it's working properly. And the buttons are working properly. That's it. It's that simple. Just to keep it in mind, don't change anything else. Just change the links, which is specified inside the link, your after link and your before link. That's it. You just have to save it. And to have a mobile view, because if you try to change this into mobile view, you can't see this clearly, because it's definitely the padding is wide enough, because if you don't have to change any codes to make it as mobile friendly. So what I do is copy this section, and this is going to be the PC view. Go to advanced and visibility, switch off for your mobile. And for this, go to advanced, switch off the PC view. And when you go inside the mobile mode, if you want to change the slider section into mobile friendly view, go into the GoHighLevel code snippets. You can find the mobile view as well. There it is. Copy the code, go back and open the code editors. Cut the whole code and copy this one and save it. As you can see, the image has been shrunken down to be in a mobile friendly view. You have to do the same with this code as well. As you scroll down, there's a link for before image and after image. There it is. That's the before image. You have to put the before image link here and after image link here. We're going to do the same. Go inside the media, get the links, go inside the code and replace the code with the actual code. Save. We got the before image. This is the after image, and we're going to do the same for the before image. Save it. And it's done. You have to save the website and go into the preview. As you can see, the PC view is working properly. Refresh it. And if you want to see the mobile view, click F12. And when you scroll down, instead of having the PC view, you have the mobile view, and it works properly as well. And the buttons work properly as well. Keep these three things in your mind. You shouldn't use any other class if you're using this code, and you should always use similar images with the same height and width, or else you're not going to get this smooth view like this. It's going to be ups and downs. And the last thing, you should only change the length of the image, and you shouldn't change anything else, which is stated here, before image and after image. If you took care of that, everything will be working smoothly like this. If you want to plug and play these kinds of effects and animation and get access of this GoHighLevel code snippets, the link is in the description. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.